All right, so this was the number corner from last week, day 4. And the first question, what's the missing variable? What's the value of n? So you have to ask yourself, what times 9 will give you 36? And you should have typed 4 because 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, let me zoom in here. Most of you got that one right. Okay, we are still having difficulty with the rounding, the estimation questions. You guys are not rounding, you're just adding or subtracting. So let me do this one. Laurel used 73 beads on an art project Monday and 48 beads on Tuesday. About how many more beads did she use on Monday? First thing you need to do is round to the nearest 10. So 73 rounded to the nearest 10 would be 70. And we're going to subtract because it says about how many more beads did she use on Monday. Okay. She used 48 beads on Tuesday. So that means we're going to round that to the nearest 10, which is going to be 50. So 70 minus 50, the answer is 20. So Laura used about 20 more beads on Monday than she did on Tuesday. Okay. So you have to round. You just can't do 73, take away 48. That is not going to be the answer. Here, a lot of you missed this question here. What words could be used to name this shape? How many different names do you know? Here, you had to type more than one answer. Obvious, we see that that's a rectangle. It's also a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. And it's also a parallelogram because it has 2 sets of parallel lines. Okay, so that's the different names for a rectangle. Okay, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to show you. Let me Google this. Okay, is a rectangle a parallelogram? Is a rectangle a parallelogram? Rectangle is a quadrilateral in which all angles are right angles. A rectangle is a parallelogram, so its opposite sides are equal. So yes, because it has 2 sets of parallel lines. Okay. Okay. Is a rectangle a square? Let's see. A rectangle is a square when both pairs of opposite sides are the same length. This means that a square is a specialized case of the rectangle and is indeed a rectangle. So a square is a rectangle, but a rectangle is not a square because the sides are not equal. Okay. Every square is a rectangle. However, not every rectangle is a square. To be a square, its sides must have the same length. Okay, so we see that. All right, so let's go back over here to the slides. Okay, so we have rectangle, quadrilateral, parallelogram because the opposite sides, and the opposite sides are here. You have this side here. Let me use my little squiggle here. We have this side and this side, which are opposites. They are parallel, they don't touch. And then we have this side, and this side are parallel. So it's got 2 sets of parallel lines. It has these 2 sets, this set, and then this set. Okay. So to really let you see it, I'm going to draw a double line here and one over here. Okay. So these 2 lines are parallel and these 2 lines are parallel. Now, a lot of you are having issues with telling time for some reason. Okay, we look at the hour hand. It is pointing to the 7. So we see the hour is 7. And then the minutes, this is actually, we start with the 12 and we count 1, 2, 3. This is 7:03. Okay, here the hour hand is between the 1 and 2. It is not past the 2, so it is the hour is 1. And then we start at the 12. Actually start at the 1 because the distance from the 12 to the 1 is 5 minutes. So we start at 1 and we count in increments of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. And then we're going to count in increments of 1. 21, 22, counting those little tick marks. 22, 23, 24. It is 1:24. Okay, that's how you do that one. And zoom in again. It is 7:03, 3 minutes after 7. Here it is 1:24 or 24 minutes after 1 o'clock. Okay. And then here we have a video on estimation of mass in grams and kilograms. And then you had to answer this question. Does the pencil have a mass of about 10 grams? Let's watch this video here. It's going to play. Let's see. Okay.
It's playtime. Yay! I am going to show you an object. You have to tell its mass. Okay, but where's the weighing scale? No weighing scale. You have to guess the mass of the object. This is called estimation. Let's start. That would be fun. What is the mass of this pencil? 10 grams, 100 grams, or 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram. Sorry, the pencil is not that heavy. 100 grams. The pencil is lighter than that. 10 grams. Correct. Remember, always look at the size of the object to estimate. Normally, objects with a small size have a small mass. Let's weigh the pencil on the weighing scale. Its mass is 12 grams, which is close to 10 grams. Now estimate the mass of a watermelon. 500 grams, 1 kilogram, 5 kilograms. 1 kilogram. Excellent. Let's weigh the watermelon on the weighing scale. Its mass is 850 grams, which is close to 1 kilogram. I want to buy 5 kilograms of rice. Which one of these should I select? Brilliant! This one is a 5 kilogram pack. This one is too small, and this one is not big enough. I need to carry 1 kilogram of onions. 1 onion weighs around 200 grams. Help me estimate 1 kilogram of onions. Say stop when I am ready. Stop. Okay, let's try weighing it on the weighing scale. That's right. It's around 1 kilogram. Congratulations! You are an expert at estimating mass.
Okay, so to answer the question, all you do is look at the video. The first part, true or false, a pencil has the mass of about 10 grams. Some of you didn't even answer this question. The answer is true. So that is how you do that question. I'm going to add this to the stream, and I'm also going to send it to your parents. Okay, this will be added to the stream. Okay, this is a coaching video from last week. I'm going to stop.